Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. So here is the series of videos we have been continuously making on NLU vacant seats for CLAT 2025 aspirants. So today we have a good news. We have one more NLU which has released a vacant seats notification for CLAT 2025, that is HPNLU. So how to access, how to get the information, how to apply, what are the required forms. So every data will be disclosed in this particular video. Just Google NLU vacant seats 2025. So Abhyaas Lawprep has made a dedicated link, dedicated website to access all the information regarding all NLU vacancies. So the first link available in this Google is that Abhyaas Lawprep. Click on this. So this is the page where we will be continuously updating the vacant seats of different NLUs. So this is the list of all NLUs which has released vacancies notification till now, and the link will be given beside the name of the NLU. So here now we have an update from HPNLU. So here click on the link. Here is the notification for HPNLU. The final date to apply for HPNLU is 5th July. So before 5th July 11:59 p.m. you should apply for HPNLU if you are interested in applying. So how many seats are available? Let's have a look. For both BA and BBA, HPNLU has released the notification. So for BA, we have total 18 vacant seats. Under general category, we have 12. Under SC, we have 5. And under ST, we have 1. Total 18 seats. Within these 18 seats, we have a horizontal reservation for PWD 2 seats, and domicile of HP candidates is 10 seats. So total we have 18. Within 18, we have horizontal reservation. Next, for BBA LLB, we have for total 17 vacant seats. Within that, under general category, we have 14 seats. Under SC, we have 2 seats. Under ST, we have 1 seat. So within this 17, we have horizontal reservation of PWD 3 and wards of serving or retired defense personnel 1 and domicile of HP 3. So these 7 is a part of this total of 17. So 17 plus 18, total 35 vacant seats were announced by HPNLU. The final date is July 5th. And you need to pay 2,000 rupees of registration fee to register yourself in these vacant seats. And keep in mind, if you want to apply for both BA and BBA, you need to submit the form separately. You need to apply twice. If you want to apply only one time. If you want to apply 2 times, you need to separately fill the form. So here is the link available. So click on the link. They will be redirected to the dedicated page of HPNLU. So different other NLUs are giving a Google form and separate payment link. But here the advantage of HPNLU is that within a single link, you can fill the form and you can pay the amount. So these are the details. Just accept it so that it will be redirecting you to the dedicated registration page. So fill all the numbers, all the details: name, father's name, mother name, gender, date of birth, email, contact number, alternative contact number, program preference. Here program preference, whether you want to apply for BA or BBA. So first preference BA, second preference BBA, based on your convenience. So they have given 2 options here itself, preference 1 and preference 2. And your CLAT all India rank, application number, admit card, score card, admission quota type, whether you are applying under general category or Himachal based domicile category or wards of serving of defense personnel category, etc. And you need to upload the relevant category certificates. Whether if you are a PWD candidate, apply the details and total fee paid. So here they have given the amount also. So after that, submit the form. You will be redirected to the payment page. There you pay the fee, and finally your data will be registered with HPNLU. And keep in mind, this is the only notification from HPNLU for vacancies. In future, if they are going to release any further vacancies, those candidates who have applied here only will be considered. So no further notification will be released by HPNLU regarding the available vacancies. So follow the Abhyaas Lawprep channel for any updates. So if you have any doubts, comment, type your doubt in the comment section. Our team will be responding, and all stay updated, stay tuned with NLU vacancies website. of Abhyaas Lawprep to get all the details of NLU vacancies. Whenever there is a notification from NLU, we'll be updating it here immediately. So keep in touch. All the best for your NLU journey.